Welcome back, guys. So right now we've spoken about fundamental analysis. Now is technical analysis. Though we are not meant to focus on technical analysis, but we're going to talk about it, of course. And I'm going to show you some tips on how to go about it. Then when we talk about technical analysis, the main purpose of this technical analysis is to predict future price movements and market trends based on historical data. By so doing, we use stats generated by market activity, such as past prices and volume. So that's the main purpose of technical analysis. Most short traders use technical analysis, and there's something called candlesticks pattern. Candlestick patterns are essential for analyzing price movements in stock trading and market analysis. Bearish candles signal potential downward trends, while bullish candles indicate potential uptrends, while bearish candles in red signal potential downtrends, while bullish candles indicate potential uptrends. When you see these candlesticks, you see the red and the green. The green means bullish, that means an uptrend, and the bearish candle is red, that means a downtrend, and they have the same properties. You see the high, open, the close, the low. The high shows like the highest. You see the open price for that or for the period of time you are checking. For the bearish, the open label means the opening price for that day or for that year. If you are looking for a year lifespan, or you are looking for maybe 7 days timeline, you see the open price for the 7 days, and you see the highest for that very day, and you see the lowest by time for that very day, and you see the closing price. So you see an upper shadow, you see the body, you see the lower shadow. It shows price trends for the period of time we've selected. We're not going to focus, like I said, we're not going to focus on technical analysis because this is a beginner course and it is really not needed for a long-time investment plan. Technical analysis is not needed for a long-time plan. If you need to know more about technical analysis, you need to take more courses and learn how to do some technical analysis. I'll just give you a brief intro on how to go into it. You don't need much technical analysis to invest in a coin. Your fundamental analysis and sentiment analysis will do that for you, because I don't want this course to be too complicated for beginners. That's why we won't be doing much into technical analysis. Why technical analysis is commonly associated with short-time trading due to its focus on price movements and patterns over relatively short periods. Its principles and tools can support trading strategies across different time frames. Traders and investors often combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis to form a comprehensive approach to decision making in financial markets, and that's the major reason why technical analysis is good for a long-time investor as well. But everything you need to know as a long-time investor about technical analysis, you will know. But if you want to go into short-time trading, you need to know more. You need to know more of technical analysis so you can be able to carry out this technical analysis. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.